the code you wrote was not good. So that doesn't mean fall under the semantic way of the Python. So the syntactical way you missed it, or the pronunciation ways, or the keyword errors, anything. So that might be resulting of the output as the warnings. So whatever may be the mistakes we have done, the immediate output will show. So that is why interpreter. But coming to the C program, we need to first compile. We need to next execute it, or else we need to compile and execute it. So that is what we have to take care of it. Then we will get the executable file. Then that will be stored in the program output and we will be displayed after that. Right? These are all the process that takes place in C, and most of the part the user has to do. But whereas in the Python, the interpreter will take as it is. Whatever may be the command you type, the user that will be displayed. Right? So coming to the Python will be applied over wide range of the things. If you want to develop a website, you want to go for AI learning, artificial intelligence, or machine learning, or you want to go for CNN, right? So every platform, it's a wide range of spread of applications of the Python, and you can extend for Python basic. We are going to teach about DSA and ADSA, and then we will move on basing on the time period, right? So you can learn everything when you know the Python. The Python code is easy to compile, easy to run, easy to write, easy to understand. So the wide range of applications are using this Python over the years. So coming to this part, first thing, we need to get the installation for working environment, that is installing the Python. So you have to go for installing the Python. So we'll be showing that one. So if you type, we have Python IDLE. So how to install the Python, right? If you go to Chrome, type Python IDLE. We will be having the Python org official website, which is open to use, that is free source. Anybody can download. So go for Python org. Here, downloads. If you click the downloads, you will be getting download version for the installation. Suppose you want to go for Windows, suppose you want to go for Mac OS, you want to install Python for the black screen, Linux environment. So here we have the different one. So you can simply download this one. If you go down, you will be seeing different versions, the previous versions. So few of them will be here. And if you want the older versions, few more older versions, you'll be having the list here. So you'll be getting suppose you want 3.9.6. So you can find that one. Yes, here it is. 3.9.6. You can download here. Right. So you want to install the Python IDLE. Suppose if you want to go ahead, I'm supposed to go for 3.9.6. Click download. This is a very old version. So you want to download for Windows, go for Windows installation. Suppose you want to install whatever may be the current released one. So that will be available whenever it is in the topmost. So you just go on. Then it will show for the downloads. So you can ask, ma'am, we have only Python IDLE. No, we can use lot of different things. That is nothing but we have other things. Jupyter. Jupyter Notebook is there. You can go and install Jupyter Notebook also. So not only Python IDLE, we have Jupyter books, and we have Spider. We have Spiral ideally, so that is the IDE book that also works for your Python well. And simply everybody knows that. So most of the people know that Visual Studios. So Visual Studio Code that also can be where we can go for Python codes. And we have Anaconda also. We have Anaconda also, which works on the Python. Suppose you are going for the data science project, so we want more efficient. And we have one more Google Colab also, right? We have Google Colab, which is an online editor. So you can go ahead. So there are a lot of platforms there you can work. So if you go for Google platform, since my browser is connected with my Google account, it automatically opens my Google account where the Google platform will ask about. So you can go ahead. Then it will ask you for create book. So you will create it in your notebook. There are a lot of editors you can work with it. So here it is very simple. So Google Colab that also works with your Google account. It will create. If you don't have, you will create and it will open for that one. So you can do it. Suppose I'm going for writing anything. Suppose A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Right. What happened? If you do any mistake, it will show what mistake I have done. What mistake I have done. Because I have taken capital A and capital B. I'm trying to display small, right? Now see, 10 is displayed. Right? So you can use the Google Colab also when you are connected over the internet. You can go for it. So this is for the first day. I'll go for day one. So this notebook will be created. So you want to create multiple codes. Here you will be going for code. You will get the code. So this is also very comfortable to use for this. Suppose you don't want this, you can simply delete. Right? So anything you can go ahead Anaconda, you can go for Visual Studios. They have to install and we will go ahead. Then Spider is there, Jupyter, and as usual, everyone will go for Python IDE. Right. So once you are downloaded, go for the double click and install the file. That is how we do. So what are the different platforms we have?